taking out this dent. So first thing you want to do is reach in here and lift the fender liner back. Make sure you have plenty of room to work. Okay, the second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this tip and put on here and start off with this tip. And here we go. Of course, as the dent gets smaller, you can take the tip off. And get those little fine tuning pushes that you want out. But right now I'm just working on the body line. Yeah, kind of getting up into the dent now. Of course, it's not like using a rod. A lot of times you'll reach up in there to fix a dent with a rod and your rod will slip. With this tool, there won't be any slipping. Pretty precise pushes. You can see very well what you're doing. I might be a little too aggressive there in that push. Have to tap that down a little bit. This car has both fenders damaged on it. This is one of the smaller dents here I'm working on. And also, I feel like our tool will speed you up. You get used to using this tool. You can see I've used both hands. My left hand to guide it from the back side. Put the tip of this tool right exactly where I want it. And very quickly you can maneuver this tool very easily. We're using two different lights, the light that I'm working the dent with, and then there's a separate light. So that's the light the camera's on, and I've got my light might not be able to see what your light's seeing in the camera, so I'll have to go back over it and check my work, but basically there it is. Then I see right down in here there's another little spot right up against the edge of the fender. Can you see that in the camera?
Nope.
Focus in right here. Do you see the edge of the fender's bent?
Not because of the light not being there.
Okay, we'll move the camera to get in position here. I want to show this. I'll be back further.
Okay.
Okay, you on it right there?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
You can see our tool right here is bent kind of downward a little bit, and I do that for a reason, because sometimes you gotta, the bottom of this fender curls upward. So I've noticed that, And I bent the tool a little bit where we can get right down in the bottom of this edge of fender here. So this dent right here was about the size of a dime, maybe a little less, but it's right on the edge. And of course I didn't see that when I bit on it, but we're going to go ahead and fix it. You know how that is. And there you go.